Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're joining us for the first time, please consider hitting that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. This way, you'll stay updated with our daily insights designed to help you navigate the world of finance. Are you ready to transform your financial future? We've got 13 game-changing personal finance tips that you can't afford to miss. From budgeting hacks to investment secrets, these tips will set you on the path to financial freedom. And that's not all. Stay with us until the end for 2 incredible bonuses. 9 key takeaways and 9 exercises of how you can apply these tips to your life today. Hit that play button now and let's get started on your journey to financial success. 1. Educate yourself about money. Educating yourself about money is a continuous process that requires dedication and curiosity. The more you learn, the better equipped you will be to make sound financial decisions that pave the way for wealth accumulation. Start small, set achievable learning goals, and gradually expand your knowledge base. Remember, financial education is an investment in yourself that pays dividends throughout your life. 2. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is a multifaceted approach that involves enhancing your knowledge and skills, taking care of your health, setting and achieving goals, building a strong network, and managing your finances effectively. By making a conscious effort to invest in yourself, you can significantly improve your personal and professional life, leading to greater wealth and fulfillment. 3. Invest in diversified portfolios. Investing in diversified portfolios is a key strategy for managing risk and achieving stable returns. By understanding the concept of diversification, choosing a mix of asset classes, diversifying within asset classes, using mutual funds and ETFs, considering alternative investments, regularly rebalancing your portfolio, avoiding over-diversification, monitoring and adjusting your portfolio, and seeking professional advice, you can build a resilient and successful investment portfolio. 4. Protect your wealth with insurance. By implementing a comprehensive insurance strategy, you can protect your wealth from unexpected events and ensure financial security for you and your loved ones. Remember, insurance is an essential component of a well-rounded financial plan, and it's crucial to review and adjust your coverage as your circumstances change. 5. Seek professional advice. Before seeking a financial advisor, identify the areas where you need help. This could include budgeting, debt management, investment advice, retirement planning, tax strategies, or estate planning. Knowing your specific needs will help you find an advisor with the right expertise. 6. Types of financial advisors. There are different types of financial advisors, each with their own areas of specialization. Certified Financial Planner, CFP. CFPs offer comprehensive financial planning, covering all aspects of your financial life, including investments, retirement, taxes, and estate planning. Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA. CFAs specialize in investment management and analysis, making them ideal for those seeking detailed investment advice. Registered Investment Advisor, RIA. RIAs are fiduciaries, meaning they are legally required to act in your best interest. They typically offer personalized investment advice and financial planning services. Robo-advisors. These are automated platforms that provide investment management services based on algorithms. They are cost-effective and suitable for those with simpler financial needs. In summary, seeking professional financial advice involves understanding your needs, researching and vetting potential advisors, evaluating their services and fees, assessing their investment philosophy, and building a long-term relationship. By leveraging the expertise of a financial advisor, you can create a comprehensive financial plan, navigate complex financial decisions, and achieve your long-term financial goals. 7. Network and build relationships. Networking and building relationships involves setting clear goals, attending industry events, leveraging online platforms, building genuine connections, offering value, following up, seeking mentorship, joining professional organizations, being consistent, practicing effective communication, engaging in informational interviews, being open to new experiences, showing appreciation, leveraging personal relationships, and staying organized. By implementing these strategies, you can build a strong professional network that supports your personal and career growth. 8. Leverage debt and taxes. Good debt is used to acquire assets that appreciate in value or generate income, such as real estate, education, or business investments, while bad debt is used to purchase depreciating assets or fund consumption, like credit card debt or car loans. The wealthy leverage good debt to amplify investment returns and use effective tax planning strategies to retain more earnings. 9. Types of good debt. Mortgages, student loans, business loans, and investment loans are considered good debt as they can generate income, increase earning potential, and facilitate wealth creation through asset appreciation and leveraged investments, despite the associated risks and costs. 10. Strategies for leveraging debt. Real estate investment through mortgages, debt recycling by redrawing home equity for investments, and business expansion loans to increase revenue are effective strategies for leveraging debt to build wealth by generating income to service loans and reinvest profits. 11. Tax strategies for wealth building. Contributing to tax-advantaged accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs, investing in tax-efficient vehicles, utilizing tax loss harvesting, making Roth conversions, donating appreciated assets to charity, and employing estate planning strategies like gifting and trusts can significantly reduce tax liabilities and facilitate wealth accumulation over time. 12. Combining debt and tax strategies. Real estate investors can leverage debt to acquire properties and benefit from depreciation deductions that reduce taxable income. Business owners can use loans for expansion while deducting interest expenses. Borrowing for investments may allow deducting interest against investment income, reducing taxes. 13. Risks and considerations. While leveraging debt and employing tax strategies can enhance wealth building, they also come with risks. Leverage increases both potential returns and potential losses, so it's important to carefully assess your risk tolerance and financial situation. Additionally, tax laws can change, so staying informed and consulting with financial and tax professionals is crucial. Conclusion. In summary, leveraging debt and understanding tax strategies are powerful tools for building wealth. By using good debt to acquire appreciating assets, employing tax-efficient investment strategies, and combining these approaches, you can enhance your financial position and achieve your long-term goals. Always consider the risks and seek professional advice to ensure your strategies align with your financial objectives. Bonus 1. Here are the 9 key most important takeaways from the video. 1. Educate yourself about money. Financial literacy is the foundation of wealth building. Learn the basics of personal finance, including budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, and understanding credit. Numerous resources are available, such as books, online courses, podcasts, and financial blogs. Websites like Investopedia and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau offer comprehensive guides. 2. Invest in diversified portfolios. Diversification is essential for managing risk and achieving stable returns. Spread investments across various asset classes, sectors, and geographic regions. 3. Protect your wealth with insurance. Insurance safeguards you and your loved ones from unexpected events. Assess your insurance needs based on personal and financial circumstances and review policies regularly. 4. Network and build relationships. Networking involves building genuine relationships that offer support, advice, and opportunities. Set clear goals, attend industry events, Leverage online platforms and seek mentorship for personal and career growth. 5. Leverage debt and taxes. Use good debt to acquire appreciating assets or generate income. Employ tax strategies like tax-advantaged accounts, tax-efficient investments, and charitable giving to reduce tax liability and enhance wealth accumulation. 6. Strategies for leveraging debt. Leveraging debt involves using borrowed money to invest in appreciating or income-generating assets. Real estate investment through mortgages can generate rental income and property appreciation. Debt recycling uses home equity to invest in shares or other properties, creating a cycle of wealth building. Business expansion loans can lead to increased revenue and profitability, with the additional revenue used to pay off the loan and generate profit. 7. Tax strategies for wealth building. Utilizing tax-advantaged accounts like 401(k)s, IRAs, and HSAs can significantly reduce tax liability and enhance wealth accumulation. Investing in tax-efficient vehicles like index funds and ETFs minimizes taxable events. Tax loss harvesting offsets capital gains by selling investments at a loss. Roth conversions allow for tax-free future withdrawals. Charitable giving of appreciated securities avoids capital gains taxes. Estate planning strategies like gifting and trusts facilitate tax-efficient wealth transfer. 8. Combining debt and tax strategies. Real estate investors can benefit from depreciation deductions. Interest on business loans is typically tax-deductible. Stay informed about changing tax laws and consult financial and tax professionals to manage risks and optimize wealth-building strategies. 9. Risks and considerations. While leveraging debt and employing tax strategies can boost wealth building, they come with inherent risks. Leverage amplifies both potential gains and losses, so it's vital to carefully assess your risk tolerance and financial situation. Additionally, tax laws are subject to change, making it crucial to stay informed and consult with financial and tax professionals regularly. Bonus 2. Here are 9 exercises on how to implement the takeaways. 1. Educate yourself about money. Create a weekly schedule to dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to learning about personal finance. Use resources like Investopedia, financial blogs, or online courses. Take notes on key concepts and terms. 2. Invest in diversified portfolios. Research and list different asset classes. For example, stocks, bonds, real estate. Allocate a small portion of your investment capital into each category and monitor their performance over 6 months. Adjust your allocations based on your risk tolerance and goals. 3. Protect your wealth with insurance. Review your current insurance policies, health, life, home, car. Identify any gaps or areas that need updating. Schedule a meeting with an insurance advisor to ensure you have adequate coverage. 4. Network and build relationships. Identify 3 industry events, online forums, or professional groups related to your field. Attend these events, participate in discussions, and connect with at least 5 new people. Follow up with them to build meaningful relationships. 5. Leverage debt and taxes. Analyze your current debt and categorize it into good and bad debt. Create a plan to pay off bad debt and explore opportunities to use good debt, for example, investment loans, to acquire appreciating assets. 6. Strategies for leveraging debt. Create a debt recycling plan. For instance, use home equity to invest in shares. Calculate the potential returns and risks. Implement the strategy and review its effectiveness quarterly. 7. Tax strategies for wealth building. Open and contribute to tax-advantaged accounts like an IRA or 401(k). Research and select tax-efficient investments such as index funds or ETFs. Track your contributions and review the tax benefits annually. 8. Combining debt and tax strategies. Develop a combined debt and tax strategy for a real estate investment. Calculate the potential tax deductions from mortgage interest and depreciation. Implement the strategy and review its impact on your tax liability and overall wealth. 9. Risks and considerations. Conduct a risk assessment of your current financial situation. Identify the risks associated with your debt and tax strategies. Create a risk management plan that includes diversification, insurance, and regular consultations with financial professionals. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support enables us to continue delivering valuable content like this every day. Let's grow our financial knowledge together.